complement in sentences completes the meaning of the subject or object. It is essential for making complete thoughts. Without complements, sentences feel unfinished or unclear. Complements work with verbs to give full information. There are two main types of complements. Subject complements describe or rename the subject in a sentence. Object complements describe or rename the object. Each type follows different kinds of verbs. Subject complements follow linking verbs like is. In the sentence Sarah is a doctor completes the meaning of Sarah. It tells what Sarah is. The linking verb connects the subject to its description. Object complements follow action verbs and complete the object. In they named their dog Bruno, Bruno renames the dog. It tells what the dog was named. Action verbs need object complements to finish the meaning. Linking verbs connect subjects to subject complements. Common linking verbs include is, are, seems, looks, feels, and becomes. These verbs show states or conditions, not actions. They always need complements to complete the sentence. Action verbs create object complements. Verbs like call, name, paint, elect, make, and find need object complements. These verbs show what happens to the object. The complement describes the result of the action. Subject complements follow linking verbs and describe the subject. She seems happy uses happy as the subject complement. Object complements follow action verbs and describe the object. They called her boss uses boss as the object complement. Complements always complete the meaning of subjects or objects. They follow linking verbs for subjects or action verbs for objects. Without complements, sentences feel incomplete. Practice listening for complements to understand sentences better.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.